It's Chef Maia, the famous chef. Let's get cooking! Chef Maia! Everything's good! 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 Chef Maia! Everything's good!
Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode. Today we are making French fries, baked though, because I'm not supposed to use hot oil, because then it could burn on you and it will make a really bad injury. So we're going to make baked French fries. So first what we want to do, get a potato peeler, and a knife. And so first what we want to do is go wash off the potato. And dry it too. Next what you want to do, get a cutting board, and start peeling the potato skin off. Make sure not to peel your finger, because that also leads to a bad injury. But first, make sure you wash your hands. I already did that before. And so, let's just keep peeling it. And don't have to do it as fast as I'm doing it. Just take your time, because I don't want you guys to peel your finger. Or fingers. Okay. Okay, and I'll see you guys next. Okay guys, once your potato is all peeled, no more skin, you want to go ahead, get your potato and your knife, and start cutting in the middle. So start cutting like fries slices, not too thick, not too thin, and start cutting like shapes of fries. And so might be a little hard. If you have an idea on how it won't be that hard, like maybe if you want to, you can put it in the microwave real quick. But I'm just going to be cutting it like this. Okay? So cut straight down the middle. I'm going to get two parts. Might be a little hard. Okay? Now that you got your two potatoes, you want to go ahead, cut to fours, and then keep cutting until they look like little rectangles that, look like fries. So I'll see you guys right after everything's done. So guys, my fries are almost done. This is what they look like. You want them to look like this thick and this big, not this thin. So throw this away if you have any of these. But these are my fries so far. They look really good. So let me just cut the rest of these, and yeah. Okay guys, so once my potatoes are all cut up, looking like French fries, we want to go ahead and get a pan with foil on it, or you can use parchment paper. Either one is fine for fries. Again, this is going to be baked, not fried, like French fries. They're going to be baked French fries. So we want to go ahead and get our pan with foil, and we'll be right back. Once you got your foil, you want to start laying fries on there like I've been doing. So just lay all the fries on there. They could be close to each other because we need to put salt and pepper on and some oil. Just lay those on there so you see what I'm doing. You can have some over top of each other. I'm pretty sure that's fine. Put some on like the sides. And once you're done with that, I will go on from there. So I have some tiny fries because I like tiny fries. They're cool. So we're going to have those. And, okay. If you want, you could try making like a very big fry, like a very long one. And that'll be really cool. But I'm just going to show a demonstration of just normal fries that you can do. Alright. So once all my fries are laid out, you can go ahead and put your cutting board away and your knife. Then you want to go ahead and get the salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. Okay, so put some salt over top. You want a lot of salt because it's going to give that flavor in the fries, not just potato. Then, so just sprinkle a lot on there. And then you want to sprinkle a lot of pepper to get that other flavor in. Okay. And don't worry guys, we're going to put some olive oil on top. So it will be better. So don't worry. Okay, got some olive oil. And sprinkle some on, not really a lot, but trying to make sure at least some olive oil gets on each fry. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to put a little bit more salt. Okay. Once we got our fries ready, you want to go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and once that is done, put it in for 20 minutes. Keep checking on it over and over again. Make sure it's all cooked like fries. And I'll see you guys next. Okay guys, so while we wait for the oven to go off at 400 degrees. Yes, I do have a popsicle in my hand, but that's because it's breaking my camera right now. So, my YouTube camp. So, I just want to say something. I am so glad that we got to 100 subscribers. Not 400, but, you know, that'll be pretty nice. But, I'm so glad that we got to 100 subscribers. And we're at 104 right now, which is awesome. So, I just want to say, my birthday is in 4 days, and this will be part 1 of episode 18. This will be like my lunch, going on with my lunch, and then, so as if I was going to eat these for my lunch for my birthday, because I do. And so, these are going to taste really good. So, since we got to 100 subscribers yesterday, I am going to do a birthday gift reveal in one of my videos on August 18th. And I'm going to have a how to make burgers video before that. I'm not really sure. But I know I'm going to have a how to make burgers video because we just got some ground beef for, we're ordering it right now, so it's probably going to come soon. So I'm going to make that for like dinner as if it was like my birthday. And then my sister and I are going to have a cake competition I'm not really sure if we're going to make like our own cakes from scratch. We might just use some boxes, but it will still be fun either one. So make sure you check that out. Please like this video and subscribe in 5 seconds, and you'll have good luck for the rest of your life. And yeah, so we're just going to wait till it goes off and then put these fries in the oven for 20 minutes. Once it gets golden brown, and you can try one fry to see if it's like not hard anymore. It's soft and inside. So once you do that, you could go ahead and enjoy your fries. And so we're going to put my fries in the oven right after it's done, and yeah. Okay, hey guys, I put my fries in for 25 minutes, and they turned out like this. Looks good, so let's test them. I'm going to try this little piece. So good. I'm going to put some more salt, pepper. I'm going to eat these all up. I also put some ketchup on the side. I know that we don't have ketchup. Try looking for it. But these taste amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be eating them all up. So, I really recommend making this recipe on how to make fries out of one potato and baked. They're nice and chewy on the inside. Nice and crispy on the outside. This is amazing. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of part 1, episode 18. And I hope you guys really make this recipe, because this is delicious. I mean, I do have 2 more potatoes, so I might make some more if I eat these all. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Make sure you go buy some merch. Check out my website. And go ahead and subscribe in 5 seconds and like the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!